I'm going to do yours. Wow.
Just listen to me. You see these?
Yeah.
So, you see these? These are the northern lights we've been chasing. We came all this way this far. For what? Yes, we got it. It's here. Right here. Can you capture it?
Yes.
Let me see. Welcome to Season, Alaska. Right now we're in Anchorage, where we arrived last night, and we're up north, Fairbanks, जहाँ पे Northern Lights देखने का इरादा है। वो ये सारा ट्रिप हमारा प्लान ही Northern Lights के अराउंड है। यहाँ की फील ही और है इस स्टेट की, the state of Alaska, the last frontier. Check out. Outside of the Denali National Park. Temperature right now is, show right here, -1 degree Fahrenheit. So here we are in the Fairbanks. We're gonna get out in search of Northern Lights, and as I mentioned before, that these Northern Lights is the entire, like, we're going to do a lot of other stuff, but Northern Lights was the main thing our entire travel and this tour bases upon, revolves around. The driving conditions from Anchorage and overall the temperature were the most frigid, the brutal that I've ever experienced in my life. For what? To get here and to be able to witness these Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis they call it. And there's an app called Aurora where you can search that about the best locations for these Northern Lights to show up. This app is not showing me anything for now, and overhead conditions are not perfect, but not bad. So this is a kind of gamble. You come this far, you travel for hours and hours, and in frigid temperatures, with the hope that you're gonna find it. So we're gonna get out with all our gear in the back, and right now you can see I'm in a t-shirt and a PJ in my room, but in a hotel room. But they're going to be 5-6 different layers because temperatures can be as low as -30 degrees centigrade. Last night it was -12 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now it's kind of a little bit lower, but around that. So I've never had this kind of experience in my life with these kind of temperatures, and we'll be outside all night with our cameras and gears in search of these Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. It's a gamble. Let's see what we come back with. See you after. We're driving to the location. The temperature is continuously falling. very, very cold. All the layers are up. A few more layers in our backpack, just in case. It's intense riding. The roads are very icy, and the plains are inclined. Big ramps and slopes. Yes. So far, the outlook seems to be clear, which gives me hope. But again, it all depends on the northern lights. It all depends. Those charges, that charge, those protons, electrons, which are gonna shower all the way, millions and millions of miles away from the sun to our planet. If they fall in the right place, so do we, then we should be able to catch the northern lights. Look at the path that we're driving.
I'm going to do yours. Wow.
Just listen to me. You see these?
Yeah.
So, you see these? These are the northern lights we've been chasing. We came all this way this far. For what? Yes, we got it. It's here. Right here. Can I capture it?
Yes.
Let me see. We came all this far, all this way for what? For these Aurora Borealis. Asan al-faz mein, in simple words, the northern lights. Isn't it beautiful? It's unbelievable.